Hello guys, Banks here back with another video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to give you really amazing strategy to make let's say $300 per day or even more than that without recording any videos. So a lot of you guys can't record any videos because they are maybe camera shy or something like that, or they can't really create amazing content or something like that. So I'm going to give you guys step by step how you can make $300 a day or even more than that without recording videos. So if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button because we release daily content on this channel, how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. Make sure to press that subscribe button. So let's get straight into this method. So you may already know if you use someone else's video, you're going to get a copyright strike and your video is going to get deleted. But there is a way that we can use, legally use someone else's video to upload on our channel. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can do that. So first of all, let's say we need to create a YouTube channel with a specific niche. So you can, let's say, create motivational or transformational videos, and let's say we're going to search for motivation in YouTube. So here you can see 22,400,000 results. So there are 22 million videos like this. So you may already know if you use this video you're going to get a copyright strike. So we don't want that to happen. So how are we going to find the videos that are free for us to use them? So you're going to click here on filter, and we want to select this Creative Commons. So this is going to show us the videos that the owners are allowing us to use this video. So let's click on Creative Commons, and here you can see there are 700,000 videos that are free for us to use them in this niche. So you can use 700,000 videos. So here you can see there are a lot of videos. You can see this video has 160,000 views. So you can use any of these videos right here. And I'm also going to show you guys how you can earn even more than just AdSense money. So this is going to earn you some AdSense money, but we can make even more than that. So let's say from 1 million views, you can earn around $3,000. But if we really want to make even more than that from our 1 million views, we can make up to a $10,000 per 1 million views, and I'm also going to show you guys later in this video how you can do that. But first, let's say we are going to do this exactly the same thing, let's say for weight loss. So here you can see there are weight loss videos, and again, if you use them you're going to get a copyright strike. But if you again go on filter, and here you can see there are a ton of content right here that we can use. So here you can see this video has 400,000 views. So this is basically really quality videos, but the owner of this video are allowing us to use them. So that is how we are going to post videos, something related to, let's say, weight loss, or you can choose any niche out there, but you want to keep with one niche. If you want to upload motivational videos, make sure to just upload motivational videos. Don't try to mix other niches. Well, let's say to upload weight loss videos on motivational channel, you don't want to do that. You want to keep same niche till end. So now I'm going to show you guys how you can earn even more money from these videos. So if we do affiliate marketing, and I'm going to explain you guys what affiliate marketing is. So let's say this is a YouTube. So if you get 1 million views, we are going to get $3,000. But if we put a link in description, and I'm going to show you guys just an example right here. So I think I saw someone doing affiliate marketing. So I think this video, I'm not 100% sure. So here you can see she's doing affiliate marketing, and if you click on this link right here in description, you're going to get redirected to some training program about weight loss, and she's going to receive a commission, let's say 70% commission if someone buys this product. So let's say this product costs $100, she's going to get $70 for that sale. This is really huge commission because she don't have any costs for making the product, so that is why they give us so big commissions. She's also doing some affiliate marketing for some leggings. I don't even know what is this, but I don't want to click that for copyright issues. But if we want to do affiliate marketing, let's say we want to be in weight loss niche, we can go on clickbank.com and you're going to see a website like this. So you're going to click on create account, and you're going to create a free account. It is really easy. You can set up this in about 2 or 3 minutes. And when you're done with that, you're going to go on affiliate marketplace. So here you can see in categories there are tons and tons of videos that, or not videos, sorry, niches that we can use to promote. So we are in weight loss niche, so we are going to click on health and fitness. So here you can see this product costs $25.99. So this product doesn't cost $25.99. Sorry, this product costs, I think, $37, but you're going to get 86% commission on each sale. So let's say this product costs $37. For each sale, you're going to get on average $25.99. So this is really huge commission, and this is called affiliate marketing. So when someone buys the product, you're going to get a commission for that. And if you don't want to sell this affiliate product, you can go on Amazon. So it is really easy. Let's say, I don't even know what you could promote. So here you can see you can promote some weight loss products right here on Amazon, and I'm going to show you guys again how you can do that. So let's say this product costs $29.95. So if we go on Amazon affiliate, so basically this is affiliate marketing for Amazon, so you can see they offer us up to 10% commission on each sale. So let's say someone buys this product $29.99, so you would get $3 for each sale of this product, and it varies pretty much. They doesn't give you 10% on each product. Here you can see on electronics you can earn up to 7%, on fashion you can earn 7%, so it really depends. And here you can see on luxury beauty, so I think this is a luxury beauty, I don't even know. But so let's say if we get a sale for this product, we are going to earn up to $3 per sale. So this is basically affiliate marketing. So we have a YouTube video and we upload that video, and we have in description like this video, we have affiliate link. So when someone clicks on affiliate link, and only if they buy the product, you're going to get a commission. So from that affiliate link, our customer buys the product, we are going to get $25.99. Or if we promote Amazon products right here, you're going to earn $3. So why you're getting much higher commissions on affiliate products? That this is some course or something like that. about weight loss. So why are you getting a lot much higher commission right here? Because they don't have any cost to make this product. So she or he he or she buy the product. The owner of this product doesn't have any cost for that. So he's going to get, let's say, $10 and you're going to get $25.99. So it is a win-win situation, and that is the reason why they have such a big commissions right here. So there is a few, you can do both of these. You can put also Amazon affiliate links and ClickBank affiliate links in description. It doesn't really matter. So you can, this is going to earn us from 1 million views $10,000 on average. And this number is from my experience. I'm not 100%, someone is going to earn much higher, but this is from my experience. From 1 million views, I earn up to $3,000 from ad revenue, and I earn around $10,000 from affiliate products. So it really varies because I'm in some different niche. You can earn from weight loss, let's say from this video, you can earn much more than $10,000 from just 600 views, because from 600 views, this is a targeted traffic, because people that are watching this video, they are interested in how to lose weight. So they want to find a way to lose weight, and we are going to give them an offer in descriptions to buy some weight loss product or to buy a course how he or she can lose the weight. So this is basically really amazing way to promote affiliate products. And also I'm going to show you guys, if we want to promote motivational products, we can go right here, motivational and transformational. And here you can see you can earn up to $101 per sale, which is a really high commission. So I really suggest you guys to try this method. And if you want to see again more videos like this, make sure to press that subscribe button, because we release daily content on this channel. And make sure to press that like button so I get notified that you want to see more videos like this, and I'm going to give you guys much more value in the next videos. So make sure to press that like button and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon, and bye.